Good day everyone. So today's video topic is if the Ethernet cable is connected but your internet is not working, or you can say your LAN wire is connected but your internet access is not working. In this video, let's fix this issue. So let's start with our first method. Open command prompt. So click on this search box, then type CMD and you will see this result command prompt. So right click on the command prompt option, then click on run as administrator. Now you have to type a few commands to fix the issue. The first command will be ipconfig /flush DNS. Press enter. So this will fix the DNS problem. Now type the next command netsh /winshock reset. Press enter. It's done. Now type the final command netsh int ip reset. So this will reset your IP address. Press enter. That's it, completed. Now cut this window. After that, restart your system and this will fix the problem. Move on to the next method if you are still getting the same problem. Click on this Windows icon, then click on this settings option. Now here, click on this option network and internet. Click on it. After that, click on this option change adapter options. Click on it. Now you will see your Ethernet icon, your Ethernet connection. Right click on it. Click on properties. After that, click on this option Internet Protocol version 4. Select this option, then click on properties. Now you have to add a DNS server manually. So type the address manually. Okay, that's it. So you have to type the preferred DNS server and the alternate DNS server. Click on OK. Click on close. Cut this window as well. After that, restart your system and this will fix the problem. Now move on to the next method if you are still getting the same issue. Update your LAN driver. So right click on Windows icon, then click on this option device manager. Now click on this option network adapters, and this is my LAN driver, my Ethernet driver. So you have to update the driver. Right click on it, click on update driver, click on browse my computer, click on let me pick from. Now select the latest Ethernet or LAN driver you have. Click on next. So this will reinstall your LAN driver. Click on close. After that, again restart your system and this will fix the problem. The final method you can try is reset your network settings. To reset your network settings, click on Windows icon, then click on this settings option. After that, click on network and internet. Scroll down, you will get this option network reset. Click on it. So this will reset your network settings only. Click on reset now, and after that restart your system and this will fix the problem. So these are the methods you can try. Thank you.